Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can clear your RAM cache or your memory cache. As you can see here, when you open up Task Manager, you'll notice that your cache might be higher than this, but mine is showing 2.1 GB. So we can clear this. You would want to click the link in the description, or you would want to go to this website here. This is a wrong URL, so I prefer you click the link in the description. Once you do that, you should find this here, download RAM map. Once you click download, as you can see, this is under 1 megabyte. Once that is done, go into your downloads folder and you want to show in folder. So once you do that, you want to right click on the zip file itself, then you want to click extract. As you can see, I'm extracting the file in the same downloads folder and I have it right there. So I'm going to minimize everything else while it's still extracting. So once it's done extracting, you want to go ahead and double click where it says RAM map. So double click that, you should see these three exes. You want to look for the one that says RAM map only. I'm going to move this on the side here so that you see the difference. So if I double click on RAM map now, it should open up. Once you see this, you just want to click agree. Once it opens, it should look like this. I'm going to minimize everything else. Now here, if I put them side by side, you want to click here where it says empty. So when you click empty, here you want to go ahead and click here where it says empty standby list. Click that. Once you do that, as you can see, it went from 2.1 GB to 290 plus MB, as you can see there. That's how you can clear your RAM cache on Windows, and this is completely safe, and you can still keep this tool for future use. If you like the video, please give me a follow and like this video. See you in the next one.